Introduction to automation software. In recent years, automation software has become increasingly popular as it helps streamline workflows and increase productivity. Two of the most popular automation software options are Flowise and N8N. In this tutorial, we will compare Flowise and N8N to help you determine which one is best for you. Understanding Flowise. Flowise is a cloud-based automation software that allows users to create custom workflows using a visual interface. It supports a wide range of integrations with popular apps and services and offers advanced features such as conditional logic and error handling. Flowise is known for its ease of use and flexibility, making it a great option for businesses of all sizes. Understanding N8N. N8N is an open-source automation software that allows users to create custom workflows using a node-based interface. It supports a wide range of integrations with popular apps and services and offers advanced features such as conditional logic and error handling. N8N is known for its customizability and scalability, making it a great option for large enterprises and developers. Key differences between Flowise and N8N. The main difference between Flowise and N8N is the level of customizability. Flowise offers a more user-friendly interface and is easier to use, while N8N offers more advanced features and customizability. Another key difference is the cost. Flowise offers a free plan and several paid plans, while N8N is completely free and open source. Choosing the best automation software for you. When choosing between Flowise and N8N, consider your specific needs and goals. If you are looking for a user-friendly interface and ease of use, Flowise may be the best option. If you are looking for advanced features and customizability, N8N may be the best option. It is also important to consider the cost and scalability of each option. Conclusion. Flowise and N8N are both powerful automation software options that can help streamline your workflows and increase productivity. By understanding the key differences between these two options and considering your specific needs and goals, you can choose the best automation software for you. Whether you choose Flowise or N8N, you can expect to see significant improvements in your workflow and productivity.